Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on these USCAMEL 20x50 Poro Prism Binoculars. It's these right here. Go ahead and give you a quick look at them. So I'm going to go over some of the key features that it comes with and then just like a quick example at the end. But like if you can see, I don't know if you can see from here, they're like super heavy duty, which is one of my favorite things. They're not too heavy, but you can just tell based on the weight that they're designed for like some good use. So like I said, not heavy, but they're like, you could tell they're good heavy duty binoculars. So it comes with these lens caps right here, as well as these to keep them nice and clean and safe. It also comes with your cleaning cloth for your lens, as well as a neck strap. It comes with your user manual. This actually came in super handy actually. And it also comes with your carrying case for your binoculars, great to have as well. And last but not least, it comes with your phone adapter. So if you do any kind of bird watching, hunting, just any type of outdoors thing, like these are your go-to. Like they're water resistant. That 20x zoom really comes into play, especially if you're trying to see something far. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this smartphone adapter. So literally you just put it on the lens here. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Perfect. And you get your phone. Let's see what I can get on here. And then you just line it up. So I'm indoors, so it's going to be hard to see anything here. But like I said, if you're looking for a very like reliable, heavy duty binoculars, like you definitely want to get your hands on these. I highly would recommend them. They're definitely 10 out of 10.